Greetings, fellow chiropractors. Last time we discussed how you could change your patients from ICD-9 to ICD-10 individually by patient. You can still do that, and you can still have the option to look at the different ICD-9 codes which go to different ICD-10 codes patient by patient. However, many of our users have suggested us being able to say, anytime I use a specific ICD-9 code, I would like it to become a specific ICD-10 code. In order to do that, from the EZNotes main screen, select Setup, enter in your password, hit More Reg Visit, More Customizations, and hit the button that says Convert to ICD-10s. Here there's a button that says Calculate all ICD-9s you have used. When you select that button, it will tell you how many different ICD-9s that you have used that have not been converted to ICD-10s. At the top will be the list of outstanding ICD-9s. When we select one of these, in the middle we will get the ICD-10s that go to it. When we select that, that will come down to here, which is essentially our crosswalk, where we get 932.10 becomes S50.10X for all of my patients. Let's go ahead and enter in lumbosacral root lesions not elsewhere specified. This shows up with all of the same ICD-10 codes, although some of these have slightly different ICD-10 descriptions. We'll go ahead and just pick this one and hit select. If we scroll down to the bottom here, it will show up right there. So this will then be able to go through all of my patients that I've ever given this diagnosis code of 353.42 and change it to that. And now it's no longer listed up here for us. Let's go ahead and select predominant disturbance of emotions. This will probably, oh, it actually turned up something. Exhaustion, delirium, all the same ICD-10 code. I'll pick the one that seems the most generic. Hit select, and now it's down here at the bottom. This one right here, cholera, is not, I know for a fact it's not going to return something here. So in this case, I'll go ahead and hit other. This will bring up another screen that allows me to search every single ICD-10 code that exists by word. So I'm going to go ahead and search by the word cholera. And here I get cholera unspecified, probably the best for a chiropractor. And go ahead and hit select. And now here it is at the very bottom. When I'm happy with this, I can hit save. Obviously, when we go into this, you're not going to be able to get through all 100 different diagnosis codes you've ever used, or however many. But you should be able to get through a portion of them and then come back to it and have what you have already done already saved for you. So now we can go in here and say, well, what are we going to change tinnitus to? Maybe we'll just do this one right here, hit select, save, now we're done. And we can come back into it. We can hit save, we can come back into it, we can edit as much as possible, we can stop in the exact middle of it and use a different website or some sort of third-party item that has some sort of crosswalk that you want to use. At the point where we're ready to say now we are using ICD-10 exclusively, you will then hit a button from the same screen we were just at that's not currently visible, that will go ahead and convert all of your patients at once to ICD-10.